message to your younger self in regards to this topic, perhaps, where would you like to go with a message to the younger people that you've learned? They say, hey, I could save somebody a lot of freaking, you know, troubles, trials and tribulations. Go right ahead. You know the drill. Please.
Well, I think the biggest thing, and you have to forgive me if I have one of my segments may have been similar to this or not, but understanding that there are truly two types of people in the world. You have those influencers, and you have those who are easily influenced. Neither one is right or wrong. Just as an influencer, you have to understand that you're going to influence people to do the right thing or the wrong thing. And as one who is easily influenced, you could be easily influenced to do the right thing or the wrong thing. Now, in each one of those situations, the commonality is understanding and knowing what is right and wrong, is what is guiding your conscience to know what is right and what is wrong. And so that for me, faith is what helps to guide me in understanding what the truth is, what is going to guide me in making my decisions, not only for myself, but for my family, as well as for my friends. And understanding how I'm being influenced by the environment that I find myself and having the strength to be able to walk away from that environment makes me a person who at one point was influenced more easily, now becomes an influencer because of what I view that may be going against what my values are, to strengthen who I am, strengthen who my identity is, and makes me the better person that I'm called to do, not only for my family, for my kids, but for anyone who I come in contact with each and every day. So understand if you are a person who is an influencer, or if you're a person who is easily influenced, understand that, but then have a strong foundation, knowing what is it that's guiding you to know what is right and what is wrong, and stick to that solid foundation.